Are you struggling with understanding IELTS writing task 2 questions? No worry, in this video I will explain everything for you step by step. At first, let us see an example of a question that you might find in your test. Question here. Exercise is key to health. To what extent do you agree? Now we want to understand the question very deeply, so I want to make it in several steps for your clear understanding. Step number 1. Understanding topic. First thing, you need to understand the main topic of the question. And the main topic of the question here is exercise is key to health. Step number 2, identifying instruction. Of course, the main instruction here in the question is to what extent do you agree? But we need to understand it more clearly. It does mean that you must provide your personal viewpoints, and also you can challenge the main topic. It means you can challenge this statement part of the question. Step number 3, identifying keywords. The main two keywords in this question are exercise and health. Step number 4, we need to interpret these two keywords and we need to understand it so clearly that we can easily explain everything to our reader. To interpret the word exercise, we can mean physical activity, walking, swimming, going to gym, and meditation. However, for the word health, we can mean in different ways as well. For example, high immunity, high physical stamina, psychological well being, and feeling less stressed. Step number 5, making plan. You may write two body paragraphs on the benefits of exercise alone. Or you can write one paragraph about benefits of exercise and another paragraph on importance on diet along with exercise.